Some more breaking news now from Shauna.
Yeah, take a look at Tripadvisor shares. You're looking at gains of just about 5% for its most recent quarter here. The company beating on both the top and bottom lines. Revenue, $354 million. The estimate in the street was for $343.7 billion. That's a jump of 47% year over year. Adjusted EPS of 16 cents. That's also a beat there in terms of what the street was expecting. 16 cents. The estimate was for just 4 cents. So a solid beat there for adjusted EPS. Also, Tripadvisor, their stock-based compensation for the quarter coming in at $23 million. That was essentially in line with expectations. The estimate on the street was for $22.9 million. But again, a beat on both the top and bottom line here, Dave. And really, we can gather from these results from Tripadvisor and what we just heard from Airbnb. Clearly, there is strong demand out there for travel.
Yeah, I'm going to go back to what we actually heard this morning to explain both of these two, and that's from Marriott CEO Tony Capuano, who said demand for leisure travel topped pre-pandemic levels. And the number that really astounded me here from Tony was that business travel is near 90% recovered from pre-pandemic levels. Most thought we were around 60 or 70% pre-pandemic levels when it comes to business travel. If we're back at 90%, you're looking at stocks across the board, anywhere touching travel, showing just enormous appetite and no loss of demand from the consumer. Look at the cruise stocks. Everything has consistently been popping the last couple of weeks, with the exception of what? Expedia might be the only one I can think of in the entire industry. Everyone's showing just that huge appetite to travel.
Yeah, and Expedia blaming the bad weather that we saw in the fourth quarter. A lot of it had to do with the winter storm, also hurricane there. That is the reason why their results were affected. But in terms of their guidance, they were even pretty optimistic about what they're seeing in the current quarter. Very similar to what we heard from Airbnb.